Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And do you ever use the lovely lipstick and get wonderful stains on your blocks or on your stamps? Well, I heard that this new stamp cleaning pad works great to get rid of some of that red and dyed tint. I don't know why it does that when you use, the red colored inks, but especially the lovely lipstick. And so I saw this, if you could see that red kind of glisten, and then this is a regular clear block, so you could tell the two different colors. So I'm like, I've wiped it with a baby wipe, I've wiped it with the chamois, and it just doesn't come off. So I've got my baby wipe here, and I'm going to just show you, like, it just doesn't come off at all. It's not getting any cleaner, anything like that. Let's go ahead. I got the chamois as well. We're going to test that and see. And nope, that's not getting any cleaner. Did that get any cleaner? Nope, it still has that red tinge to it. I thought it did, but it did not. So we are going to try the stamp cleaning pad. It's brand new. I've never tried it. Smelling it now to see what it smells like. It says, removes classic Stampin' Ink and crafting Stampin' Ink from rubber and photopolymer stamps. Warning, to avoid damaging photopolymer and cling stamps, use water to rinse the cleaning solution from the stamp as soon as possible. Okay. So this is like, and it says on here, avoid contact with mouth, harmful if swallowed. Good thing it didn't smell like chocolate or cherries. Okay, it says to reuse, remove excess ink from stamp, then tap stamp on stamp cleaning pad. Wipe stamp with a dry cloth. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Again, this is the clear, this is the one with a tinge, and we're going to see what happens on our acrylic blocks. See if that helps at all. It does look at, it left a little bit of red tinge on there. I'm going to be amazed if this works. I'm going to clean off the sides too, because I always get these little red marks on my blocks. Let's see. I am amazed that I have red on there. Okay. I'm going to put that back. And now I'm going to use the baby wipe. You guys, holy smokes. Did it work? Now it says to rinse with water afterwards. So this chamois is nothing but water. Oh goodness. Woo! Look at that. Look. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, hold on a minute. Now I need to look for a stamp that might have some tinge on it. Look at that. Let's try this. Okay, so we're going to try this. I'll just use this one. Still has a little bit of ink on there, So I'm going to take this off. Where's my baby wipe? Okay, that's not coming off. Let's try this. That's not coming off. So you can see the difference in the two. They're still somewhat similar. This one's a little bit lighter. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna only do half. Look, holy smokes. I'm gonna only do half and see. Well, it's coming off, but it's still tingy on there. It might be too late to save this. I was getting so excited, but it did take that red off of that stamp, the acrylic block, which amazes me. Okay. And there's a refill, I believe, for this. All right, look. But we don't want it to damage, so I'm gonna go back over, and it says to rinse with water. So I will rinse these afterwards as well. But let's see for viewing purposes. I'm not sure that this is amazing. I mean, it was amazing at first, trying to get that ink off the acrylic block, but it's still on there. It's lighter, but not really so much better. I'm gonna try this. I don't really have a big problem with these. I'm gonna set that there. I don't care if that it is very like tingy, but let's go ahead. We're gonna pull out a red color. Oh, see, that's why. That's what happens. And now it's back tingy again, but now I know how to clean it off. Alright, so I actually have this from an earlier project. We'll stamp that. And then we'll get what we can off of there with the baby wipe. There goes my red block, is red again. Not all beautiful and clear. So we still have some tinge. We use the chamois. Get the block and the stamp set. And we still have some tinge there. Let's see. Ah, that's what it is, you guys. You have to do it kind of straight away. All right. Check that out. It has a light tinge, but nothing like some of these other ones. Look at this. Can you see the difference? So you have to do it right away, but look at that. Very cool. I'm saying yes to this, and I will definitely be using it. Oh, I need to still wipe that one off. will definitely be using this. And now I still have a little bit of that tinge, so I'm going to mark it. Look at that. Amazing. All right, I would say yes. I would say add this to your wish list, guys. Stamp cleaning pad. So this is it. And look at that. No more red tinge. I love it. All right, if you like these little test and tries, this is kind of the first one I've done. Let me know, and I will do more. All right, beauties. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.